I don't think it fits. It won't. Leave it out here. Fucking GoPro. You ready? Oh, straight ahead, straight ahead. Down the road. Get down, get down.
Okay.
Get down.
I don't see him. I don't see him.
Should we move around?
He got out.
I heard him say move
It's
up.
hard to move right. Yeah. Go, go, go.
Get down.
I see nobody.
Oh, hit. Oh, shit. Hit! Let's start making our way right. Be careful though, because this is where the enemies are. Should we move up? What happened?
They punched. I got 2 guys, and then they got me.
Yeah, let's do it.
Right here. That's it.
Yeah, blue.
I think I just got hit. Okay, cool. Hit. What the fuck?
Sorry.
You're good, you're good.
Oh, hey. Okay, there's a guy behind that.
Behind what?
tree.
You want to move up? Hit! Where? Hell of them, hell of them. Straight ahead, they're all moving. I think so. That's where I hear everyone. I think I'm gonna go check it out. Somebody lost a mag. Fuck. HQ. HQ's this way. Hey, boys, straight ahead. Multiple, I don't know who they are.
No need to be up here. Let's go down. This way. All right.
I got the point for capturing the wheelbarrow and then just fucking forgot about it for the next injection.
We're gonna go right by. That's the other thing with the east-west bump. Shitty path it is. I got rear security. I never expected.
Let's get the car. Who's that?
Yeah, actually, there's no reason to go back to supply depot. We take the
Oh shit!
Put them in the car.
Yup. Yeah, bring the cart over. Blue? We got the cart. Are they good down there?
Sniper on the van.
Be careful.
Crossing you.
Yeah. We good? He got hit right here.
Yeah, up in front.
I just need people to move with me and I can push the barrel.
So right now we got the barrel.
Okay.
There's people to the left of us like crazy.
Yeah, okay.
I'm gonna grab the barrel and I'm gonna run with it if you guys can protect me. Straight left, straight left. I don't think it fits.
It don't fit though.
It won't. Leave it out here. We'll bring the shit to it. Where do we need? We have the wheelbarrow right here. It won't fit inside the doors though.
There you go, put it in the cart.
Put it in the car. That it?
Is this where the... Oh. There's a guy like that there.
The boy. Watch out, somebody just got dropped.
Yo, right
I think from that direction, yeah.
the right side or front?
Straight ahead. I'm gonna park the wheelbarrow.
How is it going?
I'm hiding the wheelbarrow right there. Blue, let's go Blues. We need to get this wheelbarrow to OBJ. Oh, there's a fucking wheelbarrow, man. Oh God.
I'll take it for a little bit.
No, you're good. My gun got stuck. Oh, you want to though?
What?
You want to though? It's me.
Oh,
It's me.
Young color idea.
young color. You have friendlies up there.
We need to get this wood.
Wait.
Hit! Blue.
Shit.
Hit.
Got hit.
Damn. Do we leave the wheelbarrow where it's at?
Yeah, we're not allowed to touch it again.
Oh.
But they can't take it either, so.
Oh, dude, they fucked us up.
Dude, it didn't stop.
I got like
shooting.
2 of them,
I know.
but they're just, they didn't hit me at all until the very end. It's like they didn't know I was right there. Hey, you gotta go up top to the infirmary. That's the next objective.
Let's go.
You good?
me. He's gonna lead the way.
All right, let's follow him.
Micah! Micah!
Yes, very well.
Oh, you hear him?
Is that blue?
Is that Taylor?
Is that blue?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's blue.
Okay.
Hey, what's up, dude?
I hear it talking over here.
Around the corner here.
Yeah, you hear that talking? I don't know if it's blue. I think they're over there in that tree line.
Okay.
All right. Let's go. Let's go around to the trees. We don't want to be caught in the open. All right. You hear him?
Yeah, it looks like they're rushing it.
Hit! Oh! Blue coming in.
Run, Rich, run! Come on, Rich!
Oh, right there, straight ahead.
Hey, someone get this wheelbarrow!
Right here, we got it. Where? Let's go then.
Oh, fuck yeah, alright. Fall back! Fall back!
Where at?
Let's keep that right here.
All right.
We can bring the thing to it. Let's go check on Garrison.
Hey, let's go, Easton. We're moving on Garrison.
Look at Garrison and see if it's doable or not.
Do you think they got over there already? There ain't no way they got.
I don't know. People kept moving. They didn't stop. Come on, Blues, come on! Back there, back there! Let's go, let's go, let's go! That way, that way! Take her, Easton! Nice fucking job, guys. We got it.
Towards the bomb, and we need 2 or 3 people pulling rear security on the
Cheyenne.
trail.
All right.
There's 3 trails that come up to our side. We gotta watch all 3.
Ryder, you want to stay nearby?
Still 2 on the road.
How's it going?
Still? Hey. Oh, you scared me.
Is there still 2 on the road, or is that did it move?
I don't know. I just heard from contacts.
Are they still on the road? Hey, someone watch right side flank. Alright.
Need one more, right? I'm gonna go right. All right, one more body on right. Hey, behind the barrels.
You saw people to the right?
No, I wasn't seeing any. What?
Are we winning? So they don't know where.
Objective's active. Grab it.
Grab the wheel. Hey, keep holding it, keep holding it.
Bring it, come on, this way. Run it here, run it here. Good job, guys, good job.
Yes, sir. Let's go. Hey, which way? Which way are we taking it?
It's by Massall, or it is Massall. But we also have about at least 4 white.
Hey, boys, we need heads on this.
There's at least 4 guys waiting.
Hit! Hit!
Probably.
Sorry, guys. Somebody, we need to get that back.
I got the person coming down the road.
Can you use it as cover? You just sit behind it?
Oh yeah, just...
This is pro. This is pro. This is pro plays. This is pro plays. Cover.
Oh my god, that is so funny. Oh my god. Go, 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 go.
You're good to move. I got your back. Or this one. You see him through the bushes?
PKM.
Hit!
Watch it done. You have to go to, you have to bring the objectives and the security.
Like a ninja.
Get down, let's go, let's go. Hey, the embassy is clear. We got friendlies in it. Okay. Oh shit.
Oh shit, behind us, bro. This is real war.
This is real war.
Yeah. Hey! That's PK. He's on the trail. He's on the break in the trail between the trees. Hit!
What?
Go! I'm putting it right now.
Outside, what's that?
Hit! Oh.
I surrender! No more brave. Oh,
Hit.
hey. Oh shit, that's. I thought you guys were friendly. I thought.
There's a reason I'm saying you're just smiling and waving.
Oh, I saw that blue thing. I thought that.
Yeah, I seen blue and I was like, damn, I didn't know blues and whites were kicking it.
Yeah, bro. Don't go that way.
Sorry guys, but I saw you coming this way and that was too funny.